Okay, you guys, if you just watched my March Wantable box, well, I was hoping to get some vacation jeans to wear. All of my jeans have been getting too big. I have been hitting it hard on my favorite workout program since December. So I get this box. I'm like, yay, I can finally get some cute jeans to wear on our trip. And what happens? They're all way too big. So I panic, right? Because I have like less than 2 weeks until we leave. We live in a rural area. There's nothing around here. Everything here is terrible, and I'm tall too, to boot, right? So I have no choice. I message them. I'm like, help, urgent. Can you get me another box? I know I still have this one in my house right now. Can you get me one right now? I need 6 pairs of jeans and 1 shirt. Please. And guess what? They did it. So here it is. You guys ready? Here's my box. Can you believe it? Can you see that? 6 pairs, you guys. Just what I asked for. Exactly what I asked for. Nothing special. I just was like, you think you could put 6 pairs in my size in a box and a cute shirt and get it to me? And they're like, yeah. Okay. So I told hubby it's probably because I spend so much with them, right? I'm sure they would do it for everyone because they're amazing. All right, you want to see? Okay, we have to hustle because I have a lot to do. I have to pick out what I want. I have to pack. And of course, I have to take care of the family, right? Got my little sheet, and I'm going to show you what I have. Let's start at the top. Well, up aside. Seriously, that is one heavy box. Phew. Okay. Can you even believe it? I'm just like in shock. So awesome. So awesome. Okay, first one. We've got Flying Monkey, which I actually really like their stuff, I've learned. Silliest name ever. Black label. I believe these are I think these are on the top. Super high-rise ankle straight jeans in medium blue. $78. And these are size 28. So they are, I love distressed, as you know. Wait, am I reading the right one? No, I'm not reading the right one. Oh my God. These are, I have 2 Flying Monkey. Distressed cuffed mom jeans in medium wash, size 28. These are $39, you guys. Normally $78. $39. Okay. Because I love distressed. You know why I could tell? I was like, that doesn't seem right. Because the back of that, like that's mom jean. Which works really well for me because I'm super tall and I have a really high waist. So I am, oh man, $39. I hope these work. So cute. Okay. Let's see. Number 2, Vervet. $68. Distressed cuffed boyfriend jean. $68. Yep, regular price. Still $68 to try them on in your house and have, ooh, I love those cuffs. That's cute. Still a really good price though for anything these days. All right, next up, we've got Vacay Jagger Skinny Luxe Stretch. Let's make sure this is price. Yep. Oh, and the price on that one was $78. Those are cute. Next up, Oat brand, high-rise, wide leg crop jeans. You can see a couple of these are already unbuttoned because I had to try. Can't resist. I know, I just couldn't wait, you guys. They're cropped, right? They're crazy. They kind of have like an 80s thing. They are, I think these ones are even on sale. They are on sale for $59. And this is a really good brand. Oat of New York. Kind of high rise, which works for my body. They are super big flare, like crop. So I don't know if that's the most flattering thing in the world, but I love it. Let's see how it looks. Oh, and these are super cute. These are Driftwood brand. $128. Gorgeous embroidered. Wait, were these on sale? Why can't I find it? They are on sale. $64. You guys, like half of these are on sale. Okay, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Kind of a slight, I'm gonna say almost like a straight cut boot cut, I'd say. A little embroidery. These are like nice, like cotton embroider, if you could see. All the way down. And yeah, new haircut. And then I just did, I'll do it on one of my short videos, which is like the 15-second, like fast motion videos. I did dollar store decoration in the room. Those little dots, which I think are fun. And then, can I pan you up without hurting anyone? And then those little, it's a set of 3. I did dollar store. Super cute. And then the dots like come off. So if husband comes up and is like, oh dear God, be like, don't worry, honey, they're not permanent. Okay, this pair is cut from the cloth, which is a very flattering brand. As we may or may not know, it is, trust me. High rise. What was this one? I think that, no, not on sale. I don't know why I'm having a hard time because they're not in order because I mixed them all up. Connie high rise, ankle skinny in bonus, size 8, $92. See how they have the buttons? Oh, how many years ago? 20, 30? I used to love button-up jeans. Love, love, love. Skinny with the distressed hem, super high rise. Boom. Okay, that is 6 pairs of jeans, hopefully in my size. And then a shirt. And what they sent me is a, if you remember this, I just bought this in the black and white in my last box. This one is a oatmeal in white. Really cute. Kind of goes with my 80s hair. So we'll give them a shot. Dang. This is the Flying Monkey. Oh no, and I already forgot. Distressed cuff mom jean in medium wash. So they're a little bit distressed, but nothing crazy. They do have cute little cuffs. They're definitely like mom, right? So they're like super high. I don't know how do you say, kind of curling up my rear, but not bad. It's actually really comfy. They're really comfy. And they fit. Next consideration, we have Vervet brand, distressed, cuffed boyfriend jean in a size 29. They are $68. I really like these. I'm a little concerned with the stretchy jeans. What I found is they run big because of the stretch. While now I love comfy and baggy, but what I don't love is having to hike my pants up all day, every day. So I'm not sure. It would almost be worth like wearing these around the house for 20 minutes to see if I have to hike them up or if I don't, because I think they're super cute and they are crazy comfy. Goss, Luxe, Stretch, Jagger jeans in, I don't know what it says, skinny? Definitely skinny. I think we can go with that. I can feel them hugging. So they are comfy. They're definitely a skinny jean. They've got cute little distressing at the bottom, which would be really cute with like Birks or Tevas. These are size 29, and I would not go smaller in this. That's another reason why we gotta try things on, right? Because the last 29s were like loose. I was worried about them sliding. These are $78. But these are hugging. These are not sliding. They're not sliding anywhere. Here is by Oat of New York. It is a high-rise, wide leg crop in coal black. And when they say coal black, they totally mean like distressed, because this is a very distressed gray black. Size 29 for $59. So these are fun. See, this is where I like I don't know what that is. Is that 70s like pedal pusher style? I like that. It definitely has a mom jean thing going in the back, which I don't mind since I got the mom jean haircut, right? So they're comfy, super comfy. Okie dokie. We have Kelly Bootcut Amaryllis, hence the flowers, size 29, and these are on sale for $64. They feel good. They are a boot cut. I think, yep, that was in the name. They are almost long enough for me, although they might be good with like sandals. But the embroidery is darling. Very boho. And our last and final pair. Connie High Rise Ankle Skinny in Bonus. Bonus must be the color, right? Size 8 by Cut From The Cloth. These are $92. So these are super skinny, or maybe just regular skinny. I think that all of my old skinny jeans are no longer snug, so they don't feel skinny anymore. They're definitely a style I would wear, that is for sure. They definitely have a high waist. And then, I think I showed that earlier, those buttons. Boy, what was it, the 90s? I would go to the Gap. Was it Gap? Gap that did that? Yeah, Gap that did that. And the lightweight sweatshirt in oat color. I forgot all the details on this. Big Sur top in marble and ivory. This is by 78 and Sunny, a brand I like. I want to say it's a California brand. $69. Kind of hits at my hip. I'm 5'10". I'm 5'10", 152 pounds. I just weighed myself this morning. So I do indeed have my stats up to date. See how long the arms are. Boom. Oh my gosh, did I say the size on the last one? The American size was size 8. When I was going through all of these thoughts, I think I'm a size 8 now. Ironically, I was a size 8 before quarantine. We're in Washington State, where we're a little more strict than some of you guys in the southern part of our country. And so we are just now removing our masks and just now crawling out of our little dark, cozy caves. And I am now back to my pre-COVID weight. So, okay, you guys. So, Wantable delivered, didn't they? Like, I keep thinking I should try some of these other clothing companies, but what? How? These guys are so awesome. Like, yeah, love it. So anyway, what do you think that I should keep? What would you keep? I was only going to keep 1 or 2 pairs, but man. So I, of course, tried them on when they came last night. And then I had to just try them on right now for you guys. And it makes me want more. So fun. So fun. Let me know what you think. I also totally want to show you. Okay, so they did send me one cut from the cloth brand. And in, I believe it was December, I bought these darling brown corduroys from cut from the cloth, right? So these are a size 12. So comfy and stretchy and high waist. Love them. Wore them a few times. And then today I try on a size 8 cut from the cloth. Comfy, high waist, stretchy. So basically in women's sizes, that's 2 sizes. I went from a 12 to a 10 to an 8 since December. So hot dang, pretty proud of myself. And I have to show you. So also, there we go. Look at that. Boom. Yay me. And of course, I'm so involved in the workout group that I am technically a coach, which I've actually technically done years ago. And it was so fun. So if anybody wants like inspiration, I would be so happy to like help you regain your health and do workouts and do fun stuff like that. So if that's something of interest to you, if you're ready to like take control of your life and be everything that you've always wanted to be, like message me and I would love to help you with that. Anyway, just had to say, look at me, I'm so proud. So yeah, dang, right? So cool. So huge thank you to Wantable for sending me a box while I still had a huge box of their stuff in my house. And I love them. Yay! So obviously I will be posting this after our trip because I don't want anyone to think that we're going to be gone and try to come and rob us and scare the holy bleep bleep out of my house sitters, because I just don't want that for them. So anyway, maybe I'll get some pictures of me in whatever I end up picking too. Okay, I'm rambling. Okay, thanks for watching so much.
After that play.